We knew it was going to happen. The cool, dry air of the last several days is gone. Temperatures going back to Saturday. Actually, that high of 79 was at midnight, and temperatures were dropping through the day. But in the 70s for a high. Sunday, Monday, only 80 degrees yesterday and low humidity. Today, 86, and the Muggies are definitely back, and that's going to take us into the weekend and through much of next week. Always kind of interesting to see the records on this day. Today's high 86, 73, well above the averages, not quite to the record, but what I always like is the records in October, because we can see temperatures getting to near freezing or still get into the low 90s, and we fell in between that. Mostly cloudy skies outside right now, but closer to the 90s and farther away from the freezing temperatures. 81 is our current temperature. A little bit of a heat index, 85, as the dew points. Humidity is back with winds out of the south-southeast right now at 13 miles an hour. We also saw some spotty showers. Now, most of the South Shore down toward the coast, not much of anything. A lot of our rainfall was more on the North Shore and the Florida parishes. Still have some heavy thunderstorms or downpours there. Haven't seen anything severe, thankfully, and a few isolated downpours may still continue over the next couple of hours, but through the rest of the evening and into the overnight, most of our rainfall will be coming to an end. Also saw some breaks in the clouds for some sunshine, so it was more partly sunny all day today. Temperatures currently in the 70s, or excuse me, 80s, but a 79-degree reading at Covington. Also 79 degrees over at Bay St. Louis. And steadily since yesterday, and really more so early this morning, is when those dew points started coming up. So that Gulf moisture started surging right back in. It usually doesn't take much to see us go from a very dry, comfortable air mass to more humid, because all it takes is that southerly wind to bring back the Gulf moisture. So fall weather is gone for now. We are staying warmer, more humid. We will see a weak cold front on Friday and maybe a slight drop in humidity, but not much. A stronger front looks to be on the way for the middle to end of next week. And maybe if this trough is deep enough for next week, we will see us stay cool on into Halloween. That's still a long way out, but it's at least right now looking more optimistic. We had kind of an upper disturbance that triggered our clouds and rainfall today. Main energy from an upper trough as well to our north, and it may be this upper trough which is slowly moving toward the Great Lakes that may help to push a weak front through our area as we get toward Friday. Again, it is not going to be very strong. As a matter of fact, the air mass behind the front is not particularly cooler, and once it gets down to the Gulf South, it is going to be a far weaker air mass. So the core of the cold stays to our north, and notice temperatures here kind of moderate between mild at night and warm in the afternoons, as the core of our cold weather will stay much farther to the north through the weekend and into early next week. But as I mentioned, we may see kind of a deepening upper trough that may move through by the latter part of next week and hopefully bring back that fall chill for Halloween, because you're going to go trick-or-treating. You want it to be a little bit cooler. Our rainfall for the most part was either offshore or on the North Shore. Didn't really see much south of the lake, and we had no reported rainfall at Kenner. So overnight tonight, most of the rainfall ending. May still see a few isolated showers, some spotty to scattered showers during the day tomorrow. Front moves through sometime on Friday. Not much fanfare with it. May see our high temperatures a degree or two cooler, as well as our overnight lows, but we are not going to see much of a change other than perhaps a little less humid going into Saturday, but the Muggies come right back up for Sunday. Even if we do see a drop in the humidity, models not in total agreement that the front actually moves on through. Quick check of the tropics. There is nothing going on and no development is expected for the next 5 days. As I alluded to late last week, I think for us, the tropical season is done, although it's feeling like fall for the next few days. 40% chance for some showers, maybe a stray shower or two with the front. Little less humid as we go into Saturday, a little more humid by Sunday. The warm, muggy air takes us into the middle of next week with another chance of rain with a hopefully stronger cold front.